Hello, everyone, and welcome to the class. Children, without wasting time, we'll quickly switch to the questions and answers of the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Yes, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So, first question, let's start. Who are the characters in this poem? List them with their pet names. यानी कि इस पोम में कौन कौन से कैरेक्टर्स हैं, पात्र हैं और उनके पेट नेम्स क्या हैं. So the answer is that the characters in this poem are Belinda, a little girl, and her pets, a little black kitten, a little gray mouse, a little yellow dog, and the most important one, a little pet dragon and a pirate also. So pets जो हैं वो सिर्फ इनके चार हैं. Kitten named Ink, mouse named Blink, dog named Mustard, and dragon, who's a very coward one, named Custard. Next question. Why did Custard cry for a nice safe cage? And why is the dragon called Cowardly Dragon? क्यों उसे coward यानी कि डरपोक dragon कहते हैं? Answer is Custard cried for a nice safe cage because it was a coward and was scared very easily. बहुत जल्दी डर जाते हैं, इसलिए हमेशा एक सेफ केज में रहना पसंद करते हैं. It is called cowardly dragon because everyone else in the house is very brave, while the dragon is the only one who fears a lot and looks for a nice safe cage for himself. Belinda जबकि कैसी हैं? She is as brave as barrel full of bears. Ink and Blink can chase the lions, and Mustard is as brave as an angry tiger. But Custard, he is a coward one and always looks or finds a place in a cage. Belinda tickled him, she tickled him unmerciful. Why? Tickling always works on people who are a little softer. So, Belinda tickled the dragon unmerciful. Tickled का मतलब होता है ऐसे गुदगुदी करना. As it worked a lot on him. तब क्रूरली उसकी परवाह किए बगैर उसको बहुत ज़्यादा टिकल करती है. Despite being a dragon, tickling could disturb him, and this showed his cowardice, on which everyone laughed. Next question is, the poet has employed many poetic devices in the poem. For example, clashed his tail like iron in a dungeon. The poetic device here is a simile. Simile कैसे है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे comparison किया गया है, like word का use हुआ है. Can you with your partner list some more such devices used in the poem? The answer is The Tale of Custard the Dragon. The poet has used a lot of poetic devices. The following are some of them. First is simile, for example, mouth like a fireplace. Then repetition is also there, the repetitive use of the word little in stanza 1. Children, I have already discussed about the poetic devices in the previous video where we did the poem completely, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. So if you want to get more about this, then you can switch to that video. Writers use words to give us a picture or image without actually saying what they mean. Can you trace some images used in the poem? Writers always use such phrases and words that do not tell us directly about what they mean, but always gives us an indication of the meaning. कुछ इस तरह की phrases का use कर लेते हैं जिनका meaning तो हमें पता नहीं होता है पर वो कुछ बताना चाहते हैं. Such words or phrases are used to trigger our imagination in painting the picture that they mean. For example, in this particular poem, mouth like a fireplace, chimney for a nose, brave as a barrel full of pears, brave as a tiger in a rage, went at the pirate like a robin at a worm. इस तरह की कुछ phrases हैं जो हमारी imagination को trigger करती हैं. Next question is, do you find the poem The Tale of Custard the Dragon to be a serious or a light-hearted poem? Give reasons to support your answers. किस तरह की पोम आपको ये लगती है, सीरियस है या हल्की फुल्की पोम है? Answer is, The Tale of Custard the Dragon is a very light and a funny poem meant to be enjoyed by everyone. The way the poem has been written with a fixed rhyme scheme, that is AABB, makes it very easy and enjoyable to read. The poet has even used wrong spellings to maintain the rhyme scheme. The features of Belinda and her pets described in the poem make it quite funny. Belinda's bravery has been compared to a barrel full of pears, a liquid substance. All the tiny creatures such as kitten, mouse have been shown so brave that they can scare a lion, and the dog's bravery is like a tiger's rage. और उनमें जो सबसे बड़ा है, the dragon is the only one who has been shown as a coward and soft-brained, who always looks for a nice safe cage, which is really ironical. Hence, the poem is full of fun. Let's do one more question. The question is, how did the pirate look? कि समंदरी लुटेरा यानी pirate वो दिखता कैसा था? The pirate held a pistol in his left hand and another pistol in his right hand. He looked terrible. He had two pistols. और अपने दांतों के बीच में उसने जो है, he was holding a cutlass. Cutlass तो आपको पता ही, एक छोटी तलवार. And he had black beard and his one leg was of wood. It was clear that his intentions were not good. बिल्कुल पता चल जा रहा था उसकी शक्ल को देखते हुए कि वो कोई भला काम करने नहीं आया है. Next is, why did Belinda cry for help? क्यों चिल्लाती help के लिए? Of course, Belinda was scared to see the pirate who had pistols in his hands and had a bright cutlass in his teeth. ऐसे भयानक दुष्ट लुटेरे को देख के वो डर जाती है. And there was something bad in his appearance and intentions. So therefore, Belinda was afraid of the pirate and she cried for help. What did the custard do at last? Custard saved Belinda and the other pets from the pirate. He showed his braver side up and attacked the pirate and gobbled him. Finally, Custard showed that he was not as coward as others. What terrified the pirate? ये हम अगला क्वेश्चन इसके साथ ही मिलता जुलता है. And who killed him and how? Custard the dragon jumped up, snorting and clashing his teeth. He was making a lot of clatter and clankering and he was squirming. He attacked the pirate. It terrified the pirate. He fired at Custard and missed. Custard killed him by swallowing him up. It shows that he was brave. Next question that we can take up is that, what did Belinda and her pets hear? क्या सुना उन्होंने? Belinda and her pets heard a nasty sound, एक unpleasant sound उन्होंने सुनी, made by the pirate breaking in through the window. Belinda and her pets, except Custard, were terrified and cried for help. Pirate को देखते ही बाकी सब छुप गए और बेलिंडा जो है वो हेल्प के लिए चिल्लाने लगी, लेकिन कस्टर्ड बिल्कुल भी डरा नहीं. Ink, Plink and Mustard, they fled away cowardly. Custard, who was thought to be a coward, fought with him bravely and finally killed him. Lastly, let's discuss that what is the message of this poem, The Tale of Custard the Dragon. Incidentally, the poem gives us the message that barking dogs seldom bite, यानी जो भौंकते हैं वो काटते नहीं हैं, या जो गरजते हैं वो बरसते नहीं हैं. Those who boast of their bravery are rarely brave. अब देखो, बेलिंदा के जितने दूसरे पेट्स थे वो सब ब्रेव थे, लेकिन जब अवसर आया तो वो सब भाग खड़े हुए. All the brave were scared and ran away at the side of the pirate except Custard, जो कि बहुत ज्यादा coward माना जाता था, but he proved to be the bravest one in the end. ब्रेवरी और करेज जो है वो डींगे मारने से नहीं होती है, एक्चुअली वो राइट टाइम पे राइट एक्शन लेने से होती है, एंड इट इज ऑल विद इन योरसेल्फ. So this is all for today. Take care, have fun, and be safe. Bye.